22. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 22, y'all. Cannot believe I've been posting every day. I told myself I was gonna go all the way up until December 31st, but I think I'm gonna stop at the 25th and really post on the 26th, you know, what we did on the 25th and Christmas or whatever. But I wanted to hurry up and start my day off. We have plans later on today. My brother and sister-in-law is coming, my niece and nephew, and we just got some big plans for this weekend. But first I wanted to make sure I did their taste bags, okay? I really went out and I got all the stuff. I was just like, okay, even if I can't find everything that I want, I make substitutions because I had went to 2 different stores. So as promised, oh no, yeah, Aubrey shoes came that matches her purse, y'all. I'm excited, I'm gonna show y'all them, so hold on. Okay guys, so for their taste bags, I have like this 12-pack Oreo cookies. If it's too many, I keep some, give some to Ashley because I know they're not gonna want to share. I also got some gift cards for them as well. Now I know you're probably like, oh, there's a lot of gift cards, but all of them isn't for them. They both got 2 gift cards each. They both got Chick-fil-A gift cards. So I'm gonna put that to the side. I got this $25 gift card for my mom for Starbucks. I got her, I got the girls some Zaxby's gift cards as well. I got my mama a Freddy's gift card, and I got her fiance a Freddy's gift card. And I got this Delta gift card for my best friend. She's always buying my kids stuff, so I try to make sure I get her something as well. All right, moving on. Hot Cheetos for Aubrey. Regular Cheetos for Kaylin. Both of them have Takis. I gave Aubrey the blue one because y'all know this girl like blue. Uh-oh, like I'm missing something. Okay. Both of them have M&Ms. Can't go wrong with that. Both of them have a candy cane. Had to add that in there. I got one for Ashley because they're not about to make sure they just exclude him because I know they wouldn't share. I just know they wouldn't share with him. So I didn't want to do that. Let me move these gift cards out the way because I don't want to confuse them. And like I said, we get them everything the same unless they just specifically don't like it. Both got Reese cups. Both have KitKats. And they both have Snickers, okay? They both love Sprite. I think that they like different flavors, but I was like, look, I wanted to buy a pack. So I bought a 6-pack Sprite because I didn't want to get anything that was cold because it was going in a gift bag. If it's too much, they will only get 2 each. And then the rest would just be in the refrigerator. I'm not gonna stress myself out about that. And let me go ahead and show y'all the shoes that Aubrey's getting to match her Teflon hat. Remember I told y'all that girl loves blue. So, and blue to me is like royalty color. So I'm for it, okay, y'all. So remember I said I got this extra bag for her shoes or whatever that came. So I'm gonna make sure I put those shoes in here. Do the tissue paper later. So they have taste bags, and it looks like I didn't get them this real small one. So it looks like they're gonna be just fine. Let's go ahead and fill these bags up, y'all. So I'm so ready for this to be over with. It's been a long day, and I got my camera back. I'm starting this vlog out on my phone. It's just, I don't know. I didn't feel like putting in my Sims card right now, so I said I just started off on my phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these drinks in here. All right, just give me a hard time. I be watching so many people be editing on TikTok and Instagram, and I be like, oh my gosh, I'm messing up when I'm filming, and I be forgetting like I'm filming for YouTube like it's in real time, so they're not looking for like specific like fast editing. TikTok, we try to like keep that at like a minute or whatever. So I'm gonna make this bag Aubrey and this bag Kayla's. Add these chips in here. Chips, Snickers, candy, M&Ms, Reese cups, KitKat. Now I'm not gonna get them no 6 cookies each. No ma'am. I be wanting me some Oreos too. And like I said, they probably won't even share with Ashley, so I'm just gonna get 3 to them. 3 each. That's it. Okay, Zaxby's gift cards. Chick-fil-A. And I got a little bit of this blue left over, so I want to make sure that I use this all for sure. And if you see on my other video, I don't be putting in, I was so exhausted, I didn't even put the tissue paper in like, you know, you're supposed to. But I don't care. I don't care, I'm trying to get rid of it. Okay? I'm trying to get rid of it. What did I say? This was Kayla's. And this side of the Christmas tree is Kayla's. I'm gonna make sure I put that over there. All right. So this is that, y'all. So let me show y'all like where I'm putting this at around the tree. Okay, so this is Aubrey's side. Yeah, I honestly forgot. So yeah, this is Aubrey's side. Let me make sure. Which one is that? Yeah, because the shoes in already over there. That's Aubrey's side. Aubrey bag. Caitlin bag, okay? I'm about to go ahead and show y'all before I clean up all this mess. All right, y'all, so I was wrong. Aubrey is to the right, Caitlin is to the left. It took me a minute to adjust, but to figure out which one, I had to look in the bag, but I found out. So this is it, okay, y'all? This is it. I am officially done, okay?
I don't remember walking anywhere.
Just to the car.
Look, Aubrey stuck on the wall. Aubrey's so stuck on the wall. Y'all, those skates hurt so bad. Aubrey already done gave up. Look at it. It hurt my feet so bad too. I took some skates off so fast after going around 3 times with Ashley. I'm done. All right, my niece brought me some ornaments. You said you got this one from school? Mm-hmm. Okay, this is pretty. I love this color. Okay, so put that on a tree. Put it anywhere you want to put it. Okay, and this is the one you made. Let me see. This is cute. Where did you make this from?
Lowe's.
I like this. You really cut this wood like this?
No, they already had the wood cut like that. You just like put the nails in and like hammer it.
Oh, okay. Girl, look at your nails. I just love them. Such a girl. Okay, go ahead, put that on a tree somewhere. Yeah, I just realized after ice skating, I forgot to end my vlog. We went out to Chili's as well, and I had to drive to my mama's house to get my niece Kaylin because she didn't make it to ice skating, so they're going today. I had to go get her and then drive home. I didn't get home till it was like 12:24 this morning. So I never ended the vlog there. And when they go ice skating and bowling today, I'm not going. I'm taking a rest because as you can hear my voice, my throat is sore. So I just drank me some hot tea when we got home. But anyways, guys, I didn't really vlog like the way I was supposed to because I didn't pull out my camera. Even though I had it with me, I didn't put the SIM card in. But anyways, short little ice skating vlog. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe and comment down below. And see y'all on Vlogmas Day 23.